Welcome to the world of Nex. Installing a Nex fan is easy. Just follow the guide to install the fan with the help of your Nexpert. Okay, we'll start by assembling the fan blades. Nex fans come with Airfluence ABS blades that withstand impact and resist corrosion. Do place the motor on the thermo buffer to avoid any scratches. Unscrew the blade screw from the motor and align the blades like this. Screw the blade to the motor to ensure a tight fit. Loosen terminal connector screws and make wire connections as shown here. Now we move to the assembly of the canopy to the motor. Your fan comes with an adjustable down rod cover for ease of installation. Hold the down rod vertically with the slit side facing down. Now pass the connection wires through the slit hole from the bottom to the top. Ensure canopy stopper is assembled from slit side of down rod only and locks connection wires in place. Slide the bottom canopy to stopper. Then place the top canopy. Make sure to avoid wire hindrance. Now we align the canopy stopper. Here's how to do it on both BLDC and non-BLDC fans. Ensure wires do not hinder while replacing bottom canopy back on canopy stopper. Rest the canopy stopper of the safety bolt to adjust gap between canopy and motor. Remove the split pins, nuts and washers from the bottom of the assembly. Now, insert the top end of the down rod between the steel clamps of the hanger and then insert the bolt with the split pin, the washers and the nut. We will now first disassemble the safety cable like this. We will now assemble the safety cable. Pass cable to the top of down rod similar to insulation wires, looping the open end around the UJS hook on the ceiling and close the loop as shown earlier. Refer installation manual for more info on secondary support cable. Now just lift the top canopy like this to cover the hanger assembly and fix it with the screw. Power on the fan from the switchboard. Press and release the power button on the remote, the yellow button. Within 10 seconds of power button release, press and release the speed 1 button. Once paired, the fan will make a double beep to confirm a successful pairing. If failed, repeat the sequence until successful. Scan this QR code to know more about warranty. Contact us using the details below for additional support.